the points which are important for industrial design. Considering that, we have to check. Now, when we are talking about this industrial design, the important things are like a novelty, then the representation, how exactly you are presenting the design, that is very important. Classification here, like trademark, you are giving the classification here, and then few other aspects are there. So, obviously novelty check, you have to find out that yes, it is really novel or not. So, that is one important aspect is there. Then the presentation, you have to create the representation, either that butter paper or a photograph or drawings, you have to use that, and you have to create the representation for that particular design. Generally 2 copies of that representations are required. Then we have to identify the class of that particular article, where exactly that article fits. So, we have like 31 classes according to the Locarno classification, and we have to follow that, and we have to assign exactly that particular class to that particular article which we are going to register.